Sharing the road. Everyone's responsibility. Every day, all kinds of people and vehicles use our roads to get where they're going. The key to a safer and more efficient transportation system is simple. Everyone must share the road responsibly. More than 50% of all motor vehicle occupant deaths happen in single vehicle crashes. But many other collisions occur when two or more vehicles try to occupy the same space at the same time, usually because someone didn't respect the rules or other road users. Different vehicles behave differently on the road. Drivers must recognize these differences and adjust their behavior accordingly. In this driver's education video series, we will be sharing the road with pedestrians, bicyclists, emergency vehicles, motorcyclists, large trucks, public transit buses, construction vehicles, trains, farm machinery. We need to show respect, courtesy, and awareness with other road users. That's what it takes to avoid crashes and create a driving environment where everyone, no matter what they're operating, gets home safe.